Okay, so these were the problems we did on Monday, March 8th. This was, of course, there's a problem with the exit ticket, so I'll go through it. Function should be as it was with the warm-up. So here's your derivative, 3x squared minus 2x minus 1, simple power rule. Set the derivative to 0. And your two critical points are negative 1/3 and positive 1. This is your factored form. And then apply the zero product property, set each binomial equal to 0, x is negative 1/3 and positive 1. So when you do the line test, the value we used less than negative 1/3 was negative 1. So f prime of negative 1 was 4. So we're increasing from negative infinity to negative 1/3. And then the value we use between the negative and the positive should always be 0. F prime of 0 should be negative. Shouldn't be 0, should be negative 1. That should be a negative 1, which we said that was decreasing. Pretty common sense here, so just to go over it. 3 times 0 squared minus 2 times 0 minus 1 is negative 1. What's up, sunshine? And yeah, it's my son. And f prime of 2 was 9. So you got a decrease, increase, and decrease. So it goes from increasing to decreasing. That's a max. That's negative 1/3 a max. And positive 1's a minimum because you're going from decreasing. You're going down and then back up. So your minimum is negative 1. Okay. They're relative max and relative mins. They're not absolute. Now, in the exit ticket, we can just fix this here. That 2x should be 2x squared. It should be a quadratic term, which will lead the derivative to 3x squared, and that should be plus 4x minus 7. So that's a 4x in here. You don't see it. You got a 4x in here and a 4x in here. I'll reattach a better copy. So the factors, your two factors would be 3x plus 7 and x minus 1. So set both to 0. So x is 1 and negative 7/3. And again, we do our line test. So we end up with increasing. I did f prime of negative 3, gave me 8. So that was increasing. F prime of 0 was negative 7. So everything between these two zeros is decreasing. And then anything greater than 1 is increasing. So negative 7/3 is a relative max. And positive 1's a relative min. Okay, so that's first derivative test, what it looks for extrema. And this one's a short video. So any questions, reach out.